Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pay with cash on Amazon. There are two ways to do it. First, go to Amazon and search for the item that you want to buy. Once you have selected, go to your cart and tap on Proceed to Checkout. Then confirm if your address is right, then if it is, then click on Use this address. Then if you see the option Pay with Cash here, just click on it. Then visit any of their participating location. Then present your pay code and a valid ID and pay with cash. It's pretty easy, however, this doesn't work for everyone. So if it works for you, just wait for your item because your order ships to you as soon as you pay. Now, let me tell you about the second way. I think this will work for everyone. I'm just gonna use my smartphone for this. So open your Amazon app, then tap on this icon. Then tap on your account. Under Payments, tap on Manage Gift Card Balance. Then tap on Add Cash. After that, scroll down and you will see the list of all participating stores here. Just choose one of them where you want to pay. Then scroll down a little and tap on Get Barcode. Once you have the barcode, you can print, screenshot, or just go straight to the store and show this barcode to the cashier and have them scan this to add between $5 to $500 to your account. It depends on you how much you want to add. Then, pay them in cash. The amount will reflect in your balance immediately. If available, you can also add cash at a kiosk or ATM using your phone number. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.